So this is dashboard, and here I will try adding some performance related blocks here on dashboard. Okay, so let's get started. So I have already created that block, and here I'm into the edit mode now, and on this page I will try adding what I'm looking for. So here overview report, let's say, yeah. So this is overview reported. I have created this one a custom one, and you see you can have the report like this. Now I am jumping. I am closing this one on the turn editing mode off, and here you see the overview report. So in last 7 days, you see we have four enrollments, four new registrations, one course enrollment, three course completion, and the active user during this process we have 12. And you can also switch here the days. So let's see last 15 days. So new registration 51, course enrollment, course completion, and the active user. So again, if you increase the last month, if I see, so this is month to date MTD. So I see like this, correct? So last 15 day if I see, same last 7 day, last 1 month, that means, so it is from 3rd April to 3rd May. If I see for the last 1 year, I can see like this. And also you can see we have options here for go with the custom dates. So let's say suppose I want to go for only the date from yesterday and today, then I will also have here, you see, no enrollments, no registrations, only one course have been completed since yesterday. Okay, so you see here you can adjust the date anytime. So let's make it one more day, so remains the same. And if I go back and I can see one April, so I will be seeing like this. Okay, so this is how you will be able to adjust this overview report. And of course, since this is a dashboard, we'll have here the options here. It's a -10, the first one, and the save changes. So I can go for drag and drop, but let's see. So it is this block appears on this page. Yeah, so on this page I will have to update here. Yeah, so now I can see here it is coming after this. So still not coming on top, you can just drag and drop. Okay, so now you see it's on top. So you can rename this one if you want, and here whatever the date you select here, it will be adjusted here automatically too. Well, so this is a block, and block can be added on the dashboard, and you can also add any block on the course also. But this is not designed for the course. This is a system related performance data. So that is why it will be added only on the dashboard. Okay, thank you for watching, and have a great day ahead.